Side Hustle Survivalist here. Hey, check this out. Time to go for a ride, chickies. You ready? Let's see. All right. This is the ultimate chicken tractor, ladies and gentlemen. Bomb-proof, tornado-proof, whatever kind of proof. And it will last forever, okay? So this is for my welders that is out there. If this is a great little side hustle to build these, and you can sell these, and it's a one and done type deal because they last forever. You never have to change it out or do anything. So I want to kind of go through this with you a little bit. You saw how easy it was. I just took the bicycles, and this made out of bicycles and farm parts. So we're going to kind of zoom in here and take a look at all this. So I'm going to switch the camera over. This is made out of cattle panels. Over here, I have galvanized 2.5 inch pipe for my legs. I have an old bicycle tire, and that I'll get in closer on this. I'm just kind of showing you how it's made. Bicycle, galvanized pipe, cattle panel around. This keeps the critters from digging in. And then cattle panel, a galvanized pipe on this side, a base galvanized pipe. And then I use cattle panels for the inside going up, and then some little hog wire or whatever type of wire, that's a little quarter mesh wire that I covered it. So this I can tell you folks that nothing ever gets the chickens. They can't get in, and I never have to worry about the chickens being killed because they can't dig through this and they can't get through that. Now, what does this cost? I'll tell you right at the front what this costs. This is gonna cost you somewhere between $600 to $800 to make, okay? And that's just in the material. The pipe, the cattle panels is what costs the most. I have 4 cattle panels on there, and those cattle panels right now at Tractor Supply are running anywhere from $108 to $125 a cattle panel. Now, the bicycles is actually the cheapest thing to get because you can go to the dump, find some old bicycles, and I went to a bicycle shop and they had some old bikes out back. I gave them 20 bucks for. Now, we're gonna zoom in on this, and this is how it's made. All leverage system. Chris with Financial Prepper and Taylor Welding, don't be gouging on my welding here. This was done in the heat of the day and just trying to get it to work. But it's all built on a leverage system. As you see here, I have a lever system. The bicycles, you saw how easy it was for me to turn this around, and you lift up, you lock that in right there. That goes down, locks it in. And then over on the back here, so you gotta have 2 old bikes. And you just take that off of that's what it looks like. Take that off the old bike. You gotta take that apart and redo this. This is the part that's on the bicycle for your pedals. I just welded this onto it, a little piece of pipe onto there, go down to a chain, and again, that works on the lever system, just like this, up and down. Now, I will say, from trial and error, this is a solid bike rubber, okay? I wanted to try that out. This one has an air tube in it, and it's so what's the difference? Well, I ended up blowing 2 of these tube tires, and so that's why I went and tried the solid tire. Except they don't make a solid tire that is actually exactly big enough. This one's actually a little bit small for this frame. These are 20-inch tires, and it works. But the actual tube, tires with the tube in it are a whole lot better of how this works. I want to make sure you guys get a good picture of all this. So we're going to go inside because you saw that I had this all on the outside, but you're probably going to say, well, what's that on the inside? What'd you do right there? So we're going to get around these old chickens here. Hey, girls.